This is the place to be. Welcome to another crazy ride, and in this video we have another tip for a cool biker place. With our tours you will always get a list of different recommended accommodations, from the hotel right in the middle of a city centre to a campsite more outside of a city, but all with suitable parking for your bike. Of course, they are at least biker friendly, but sometimes we can add a true biker place to our tours and rides. If we find a real cool biker place, we also share it outside of our tours here on our channel with you. In this video we are taking you to Camping Moto Dordogne. It is a stop in one of our rides of the delicious Dordogne tour, and you can also use it for your stay there. It has a swimming pool, a lovely terrace and bar and restaurant, and from experience we can say that you will forget time here. It is owned by a Dutch owner, so a lot of Dutch people know this place, but also other nationalities have found their way to this campsite. Of course, you can camp in your own tent when you're staying at the campsite Camping Moto Dordogne, but you can also rent basic cabins, caravans and chalets, or this lovely gîte. If you do want to stay at one of the accommodations, book in advance, well in advance. If you want to stay at a true biker place, this is the place to be and stay during your road trip here in the Dordogne. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you like us to keep sharing tips on cool biker places. And if you're looking for a cool biker place in the Eifel, you can watch our video on Hütterscheider Hof. So keep going crazy!